Hello.
Hi, Ivan. How are you?
Hi. Can you hear me, right?
I hope everything's fine. Finally,
Yeah.
we connect with you.
Yeah. How are you today?
I'm fine today. How is it day?
I'm fine. So I think we have time difference here. So in your country it's 9 a.m. and here it's already 11 a.m.
Two hours different, right?
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, we can introduce ourselves. You can share you introduce yourself.
So okay, sure. Yeah. So my name is Chen Chen. So I'm an English teacher, but most of my students they are from China. And when I was in the UK, I also teach the students from all over the world. I used to work in a summer school, and at that time my students they are from like Italy, Spain, or like Saudi Arabia. But most of my students they are like teenagers or young kids.
Oh, that's good.
So may I know your learning aims? Like what kind of learning results you want to have? So for business or for like oral practice?
Oh, that's good. Oh, actually,
Mm.
you are from China and you live in UK, right?
Me? No, I'm currently back to China.
Oh, you are permanently live in China, right?
Yeah, currently I'm in China.
Okay. Okay, that's good. And can I share my introduce? Can I share my introduce myself?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, my name is Imtiazuddin. I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know about Bangladesh?
Yeah.
Okay. I work with basically social media growth strategy.
Mm.
I work on the finance business. So basically, I have some problems when I meeting the clients, and I have some pronunciation problem. Uh,
Mm.
and I learn the basic English. So
Oh.
yeah,
But I think you can speak English and it's if you can speak you can produce the language, but maybe just the accent. But everyone has their own accent. Like they have British accent, American accent, and also me. I may have also Chinese accent. So which is fun.
did you understand my
So
accent?
uh-huh.
Did you understand my accent recently? No.
Your accent?
Did you understand my accent?
Kind of, but not fully. So you want to learn like social media or business English,
Yeah, sure.
and also like correct your pronunciation or accent, right?
Yeah, I have pronunciation problem. Like when my clients so quickly speak, then I can
Yeah, sure. I can truly understand
I can
because I'm also not native. Yeah. But like I have a question. Like, why you want to choose me as your English teacher? Because I'm also not a native speaker.
no problem. I think you are better for me because you are uh, not not native, but you are full English teacher, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope you can yeah, you can learn me, you can teach me
Mm,
basic
yeah.
English. I
Mm,
not full English learn. I just need basic English for my social
mm.
media
Yeah.
strategy.
I think maybe we can start from like a basic
I need
in
a
the
native
business
speaker.
English.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can start from like writing email or like a greeting phone call. Where are your colleagues from? Like they are from
I am from
Europe.
yeah, they are from US, United States, and India,
Mm.
China.
Indians they also have strong accents. Sometimes I can't understand their talking. Yeah, well,
And,
I was
and
studying
basically,
UK. Yeah.
Asian clients, Europe clients. So
Uh-huh.
I also meeting Asian clients, Europe clients all over the world as a freelancer business.
Mm.
So,
Mm.
do you have any Bangladeshi students, Asian students?
Like, well, sorry, what student?
Do you have Asian students?
Like adult student from another country?
Like me, Bangladeshi students, Bangladesh.
No, I think you are my first one. Yeah, like currently I'm the English teacher for children. So most of my current students, they are from China and they are very young, like primary school or even in a kindergarten. And my students from other countries, they come to me to learn Chinese rather than English.
So that's great. Are you physically classes or online classes?
Uh-huh.
Do you learn physically classes or online classes or both?
Uh, um, my current job, I have the offline class, so I go to school and teach student.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's been
Yeah.